Fast, powerful, built for speed, green innovation, scalable by design. Innovative cooling for significant energy and water savings. Installation flexibility. Jaguar, a Cray XT5 supercomputer, not only breaks the petaflop barrier for computing speed, it introduces the most revolutionary and practical cooling technology in supercomputing, EcoFlex. Supercomputers consume massive amounts of energy. Jaguar is different.
The EcoFlex technology uses phase change cooling. That is, the hot air blows through an evaporator with a refrigerant in it. It goes through a phase change transition where the liquid turns into a gas, and this is very, very efficient. The thermal transfer is about 10 times more efficient than a standard water coil, which means that we can cool the machine with much less fluid and much more effectively than we could with a regular water coil.
Cray's EcoFlex technology also maintains a room air neutral environment, so the temperature of the air entering the system is about the same temperature as the air exiting the system.
With the EcoFlex technology, we can get rid of the computer room air conditioners and reduce the physical footprint of the machine substantially, and we can also reduce the environmental footprint of the machine. We can get rid of the need for chillers for the cold water supply, and that substantially reduces the total amount of electricity that it takes to run the system. And a lower total cost of ownership means better value for our customers. It's better for our business as well as for the environment.
It's not just the EcoFlex technology that makes Jaguar green. The power and performance efficiency of the award-winning AMD Opteron architecture that makes Jaguar fast also makes it green and enables scaling to the petaflop level.
Jaguar really is a phenomenal machine. It's been engineered from the ground up to be a computer for scientific computing. It uses AMD Opteron processors, which are the best processors for scientific computing available. They're the easiest processors to program. Jaguar also has 3 times more memory than the second largest memory computer in the world.
Developing a machine as innovative as Jaguar is more than just a job. It's a mission for the Cray team.
The way that we see our part in the grand scheme of supercomputing is making sure that the customer has a quality product at the end of the day. We all take pride that we are building the most powerful supercomputers on the planet. And we know that these are tools that engineers and scientists use at the end of the day. And they use these tools to affect our everyday life. And we take pride in our work. And we all work together as one team.
Also contributing to legendary quality and competitiveness is the fact that Cray is agile and extremely responsive to customer needs.
We're very nimble. We're able to turn on a dime now from a manufacturing perspective. We're able to take on new changes, take on new challenges with not a lot of infrastructure or bureaucracy to get in our way.
At Cray, green isn't just industry hype, and quality isn't a buzzword. Both are part of an enduring philosophy of innovation that seeks the best solutions, like ensuring that the entire life cycle of the Jaguar is green.
It is a green life cycle for the machine. The cabinets are designed to be upgradable in the field. So we have upgraded our machine from single core processors to dual core processors to quad core processors without having to throw anything away. We also worked with Cray from the very beginning to develop a shipping plan that would not end up with a lot of waste that had to be disposed of.
As for quality, that comes from the heart of Cray employees.
It takes focus and energy, and the people in Chippewa Falls have all of that. They have pride. Supercomputing was invented here, and so a lot of the community actually believes strongly in doing great work.
The supercomputers that we have really do benefit everybody in the United States. We're doing things like understanding climate modeling for the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change that won the Nobel Prize, shared that with Al Gore last year. Much of that work was done on the supercomputers here at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. We're working on modeling combustion to be able to understand how can we make much more efficient engines for your car, for trucks, for airplanes, and even the combustion engines that drive the big power plants. All of these depend on understanding how can you use less fuel and get more energy out of this.
Bigger, faster, better, and find the next thing, solve the unsolvable. That's the key.